presence that does not arrive with noise. It does not need to be seen. It does not ask to be believed. And yet, throughout time, humans have felt it. In moments of breaking, in moments of surrender, in the quiet space where something within us softens. Some have called it Quan Yin. Not as a figure, but as a listening. A listening so complete that nothing is rejected. A compassion so vast that it does not choose who is worthy. It does not belong to one place, one language, or one belief. It appears wherever pain meets openness, not to remove suffering, but to transform how it is held. In that presence, grief becomes gentler. Fear loses its sharp edge, and even silence begins to feel like something alive. Quan Yin is not outside us. It is a possibility within the human heart, a way of being that does not turn away, a way of seeing that does not divide, a way of holding that does not break. And perhaps in a world that often forgets how to listen, this is what we need most. Not more noise, not more answers, but a deeper capacity to remain present with one another until something within us remembers how to care without condition.